Hello everybody, guess what, it's new gear day, and I know I said on my last video that I was done, finito. Well, it's not exactly true, is it? So let's see what we got. I'm gonna do this with one hand. I guess you call it an unboxing because you're taking things out of a box, but it's not one of those unboxing videos, and I shouldn't be running a sharp knife that way. It's shipped from Lancer Surgical Company, Pakistan, which, if it's come from Pakistan, that was pretty quick, so I think it only took like 5 days. Ooh. Next clue is I bought this from leatherup.com. Oh yikes! It's definitely, you can definitely feel it. Let's cut the bag. That was a sharp knife. So anyway, I'm going to try and do this now with the chest mount. It's a lot easier. Here we go, look at this. Gun holster, Milwaukee Performance Accessories. Water resistant, oh, that's good. Quick release, even better. Heavy thread. Blimey, they like their tags, don't they? Yeah, let's get that off. Actually, it's pretty good that they do that, I suppose. Throw all these little bits and pieces in. Fell off. Good sign. Anyway, here we go. This is luggage. Oh, blimey. The plastic bags harder to get into than the luggage. So, it fits on the back. Oh, sorry about that. So it fits on the back of a backrest, and that's exactly what I just installed. Bought it from leatherup.com. I'll post the details of it in a quick link because I can't remember exactly the model number or anything like that. But it looks pretty substantial, I must say. This is the back side that mounts to the backrest. Whoa, a nice pad there. Someone's going to enjoy that. This is going to slide over. Pins. Pins will release this. Plastic pins. We'll see how well they hold up. It's $160, almost $157. Less than discounts that I had, so I ended up paying 90 something for it. And a credit I had too. So normally it would be 157. It's pretty big straps there. It will cover quite a decent backrest. Alright, so this is the back. It's all pretty solid. That's going to come down over the top. I'll figure that out when I put it on the bike. But you know what? I'm not going to do that today because it is 93 degrees out there right now. I'm liking this a lot, and I know this is a two-piece, so the other piece is probably inside. Oh yeah, here's the piece inside. Again, I'm sorry if this is a bit wobbly or it's not a very clear video. I'm doing this on the fly here. Grabbed the GoPro when I saw this had arrived. Just got home from work and this was on my doorstep. Two side pockets. They call it a holster. So it's pretty good. There's zippers on the side, as I said, and some mounting things here. It's going to take some playing around to get used to everything. A little bit of a smell. They said there might be a smell, but not a big deal, I suppose. So yeah, pretty good so far. Let's open this one up. All right. Oh, look. Oh, there's another piece. Look at this. It's like one of those little, what do they call them? Those little China dolls or whatever they're called. I suppose we can call them that anymore. Those little dolls are one inside the other. So, oh, I gotta say, I'm very impressed with this. This was inside of this. So you got a It's actually 5, oh no, 4 pieces. I'm sorry, I'm being a dope. This is the 4th piece that goes on the other side. So it's not an extra piece they threw in, but there's a little bit of a smell to it. It smells like burnt plastic, probably cut plastic or cut PVC from when they manufactured it. So here's the rain cover. Right here. And in case you missed any of that, I'm going to go to the selfie stick in just a second. Right, so we've got that. We've got that. And we've got this. Pretty cool. I'm liking very much. Quite happy with that. That's the pad. So let's go to the selfie stick here. Just take a quick look. Right, so we're on the selfie stick now. So here we are. These are the 2 side pieces. They're opposite ends here. So I've got this that goes on there. They had zippers, and these zip on the big one, of course. So they will zip onto there. That's the main trunk, which I actually like. I could fit my skillet in there. This one goes here on the other side, like that. It's not going to stay up anyway. But when this is closed and sealed up, this is going to sit on there like that. They all attach together. I'll have to dive in a little bit later. Oh, I see, you got some snaps here, and I bought some bungees to make it extra secure. So yeah, these will snap. This will go over the backrest, and these straps will go around. The one test I was looking to do, 10-inch cast iron skillet will, at a pinch, oops, pinch will fit in there. I can pad that in. That's a 10-inch big lodge skillet that's fitting in there. There you go, like that. I'll put that in a bag to stop, because I oil it, of course, like you're supposed to. That will go camping with us, and we'll add some weight, so I'll have to just check for that. But yeah, there it is. And then clothes and camping gear, maybe clothes in this one. I do have saddlebags, of course, and plus these 2 little extra bags here for maybe electronics and this and that. Bits of food as well. We've got to take some food with us. That'll probably go in here. So once I get this mounted on the bike, we'll come back and finish up the video. Cool, see you in a bit. Right, recording on the Sony. There it is. That's the luggage installed. It was a little bit of a tricky affair. It was some D-rings and stuff that I had to add bungees to. There's some bungees in the back here. See those orange ones there? And this, I'm not quite sure yet how this is all gonna look, but this small top box here, this roll box, whatever you want to call it, I've forgotten the name of it right now, but this is also designed to go down here, so you can have just a small back trunk on the back. It's going to move around a bit, but once that's got once it's loaded up, I'll put another bungee across it going this way. But for the most part, I'm quite happy with it. It looks nice, ton of room. It's going to be ideal for the camping trips we're talking about doing. Not exactly sure where the tent's going to go. Might have to drop that roll box off completely and lay the tent up there. We'll have to figure that part out later when we test it tomorrow night with the passenger. Alright, so there it is. Well loaded up. She's pretty impressive, I've got to say. So anyway, there it is. Gonna put it to the test over the weekend going camping. I'll let you know how it all holds up. There is one thing, it smells. It smells of chemicals, the dye they must use, or the material, whatever it is, but that's probably going to get aired out, have to be aired out, or put your stuff in bags. But it's all part of the thing, I guess. New luggage does smell a bit, but boy, this bloody reeks, I'll tell you. So okay, I'll let you know what happens. Thanks for watching. See you next time.